Hello, good day everyone. Again, this is your Papa Coco for our Papa Coco's math tutorial and math lessons. So, medyo pahinga muna tayo sa calculus at pag-usapan naman natin yung tungkol naman sa number theory pagdating sa part ng discrete mathematics. At pag-usapan natin yung tinatawag na divisibility of number wherein we have A is equal to BQ plus R, wherein B must not be equal to 0. So anong ibig sabihin yan? Na ang divisibility ng numbers ay meron siyang kaakibat na right amount or right exact value ng quotient at right exact value of remainder. So alam naman natin na dito sa formulang to, yung A is equal to BQ plus R, yung Q po ay nag-i-stand po para sa quotient at yung R ay nag-i-stand po para sa remainder. So paano po ba sinusolve ang isang divisibility of number? Doon sa formulang A is equal to BQ plus R, where B is not equal to 0. Let us have an example here na yung A daw natin, let us say, is 48 and B is 5. So find quotient and R, no? O yung remainder po natin. So yan, no? Hahanapin po natin yan. So sa kaso pong to, una natin gagawin is sulat natin 48 is equal to 5Q plus R. Wala pa tayong quotient and remainder. So ang gagawin natin is isipin nyo kung ilang 5 meron sa 48. Kung i-divide natin yan, meron tayong makikita ang siyam na 5 doon sa 48. That's the reason why yung Q pinalitan natin ng 9 plus R. And in this case, you have now 48 is equal to 5 times 9 is 45. And since 48 to, meron siyang sobrang tatlo na siyang ating remainder. So in this case, so if you have 48 is equal to 45 plus 3, that will be equal to 48 equal to 48. So ngayon, in short, kung kukunin natin yung A is equal to BQ plus R, we can simply say that the divisibility of 48 is equal to 5 times 9 plus 3, wherein your Q is 9 and the remainder or R is 3. So ganyan po sinasagot ang isang divisibility of number doon sa formulang A is equal to BQ plus R. No? So I do hope it helps. Ciao!